India, size and location. This is the title of the chapter, India, size and location. Okay. Before knowing about this chapter, we must have understand the meaning of this chapter. India, size and location. Okay. India, the name of a country. Size means what's the shape of this country, what's the height, what's the width of this country, and location means where this country found on the earth. Okay. Now, the first title of this chapter is location. Means where our country found. We see here north hemisphere means in the northern part of the earth. This is the earth. Okay. The upper part is called northern part. That's called the north hemisphere, and this is called the south part. I mean south hemisphere. Okay. Then next, latitude 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north means the latitude. First we must have understand the word latitude. What is latitude? Means the horizontal line that's found on the earth is called latitude. Okay, means horizontal line like this. Okay, this is called the latitude. The total number of latitudes is 90 plus 90 means is 180. Okay. The total width of this country 3214 kilometers means from here to there total width is 3214 kilometers. Now we see the next point of this chapter, longitudes. Okay, longitudes means the vertical lines that we found on the earth is called longitudes. So the total number of longitudes is 360, 180 found in the eastern part of the earth, and 180 is found in the western part of the earth. Okay, this line show us the time. It means the time zone are depend on this line. Okay. Now next is Tropic of Cancer. 23 degree 30 minute north means the latitudes that found in India. That name is Tropic of Cancer. Okay, that means 23 degree 30 minute north. Here that passes from India through 8 states of India. That names are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. Okay. Next is Lakshadweep, found in Arabian Sea, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Bay of Bengal. Here you see the map of India. Here the Arabian Sea, here the Bay of Bengal. In Arabian Sea we found Lakshadweep Island, and in Bay of Bengal we found the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. Now we know about the location of the India. Okay. Just we see next point of this chapter, area. So size. What means what is the size of this country? Now we know about the area. The area is 3.28 million square kilometer. 2.4% of total world's geographical area means the area of this country is 3.28 million square kilometer. The total percentage in percentage is 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world, means total earth. Okay. Next one is 7th largest country of world. The world after Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. Means our country seventh on the 7th rank in the world according to the area. Okay, means geographical land area. First, that's the largest country of the world is Russia. Second, Canada. Third, USA means United States of America. Next, China. Next, Brazil, Australia. Then our country, India. Okay. The next point is length of the land boundary 15,200 kilometers. Land boundary means the country's land boundary that beside or in the side of country India, the the country Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. This is the here we found the border, physical border from these countries. Here is Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Okay. From here, we found the land boundaries. The total length of land boundaries is 15,200 kilometers. Next, length of coastline boundaries means the boundary that making between the land and the ocean. Okay, means water is 7,516.6 kilometer. Okay, this is the total border. Okay, from here to there, we see the coastal boundary or coastline boundary or sea boundaries also. Okay, coastline. From here we see Gujarat. Okay, Gujarat to West Bengal. From to Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. Okay, Andhra Pradesh. From these states, the coastal line we found. Next point is Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Time lag of 2 hours means the local time. Difference between these two states, the local time 2 hours. Okay. From here is we see Gujarat and here is Arunachal Pradesh. So according to the local time, we see the 2 hours difference between these two states is 2 hours means 120 minutes. The standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minutes east Mirzapur. The standard meridian of India means the longitude that indicate or that is the medium of time or from this line the time is fixed in our country that passes through the Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. That name is 82 degree 30 minute east. Okay, it means it is found in east part of the earth. Next is India's neighbors means the country that found around the country. I mean India. Land boundaries. The countries are divided into two parts: land boundaries and sea boundaries. Means the country that making the land boundaries, that's called the land boundaries countries in which Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Okay. Sea boundaries countries are Sri Lanka, Maldives. There are two sea boundaries countries. Okay. Now we see in the map. Okay. Here the map of India in which we see the countries neighbors. Here is the Pakistan that making the land boundaries, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. These countries are making land boundaries from the India or with India. Okay. Now next we see in the south part of the India of the country India, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Maldives is found below the Lakshadweep. Okay. Now we see in the world map our India here found. Here is 23 degree 30 minutes north, Tropic of Cancer, 0 degree equator to 23 degree 30 minutes south tropic of Capricorn. Okay, this is the middle line that divided the earth into two parts, in north and south, and this line this is the longitude 0 degree. This is also divided our earth into two parts in east and west. Okay, in which or in the map of the world we see our country here, India. Okay, this is the location of our country. We see globe, the model of the earth. Okay, we see on the globe our country, India, here. Okay, here the equator line, and here the tropic of Cancer. Here is the tropic of Capricorn. Okay, here is the location we see on the earth our country. Okay, now we learn about this chapter, India's size and location. Okay, now we will meet in the next part of this video.